Hi guys, I'm here, and my name is Jalen. You've seen me in a few videos already, okay?
Probably.
And you probably seen my cousin Jocelyn too.
If you watched our channel.
Okay. Tell them what video you've been in.
I've been in pool jumpers, how to tell someone's half ninja, and the water challenge.
Yeah. Okay. Well, in pool jumpers, it was her and my other cousin Cammy. Well, Camille. How do you want to call it? Okay. These are that's my cousin's fidget spinner, and that's my fidget spinner, the Batman one. Because I'm a big fan of Batman.
And
Okay.
you just got it right now. So ready? We're gonna show you how they spin. And there's no boats.
Hold on. Hold that.
When it comes to this stuff. There's his, black and yellow, and there's mine. It has kind of like some cool shines.
Okay. Okay, remember, after you're done watching the video, drop a like and a comment.
And tell us which one you think is cooler.
Jocelyn, that's my part. And, tell us which one is better.
And I like to argue with Jalen.
My Batman one, or the colorful one. Remember, always like and comment, and subscribe, and comment to this video. And remember to tell us whose fidget spinner is better, the Batman's fidget spinner or the color fidget spinner.
Which then again looks like that, spinning. And that's how they distinguish.
Remember, remember, do the same thing. Drop a like and a comment on my next video, which is gonna be in like 2 or 3 days, or probably tomorrow. I don't know.
Bye.
Bye. See you later.